Let me start by addressing something important right off the bat. There seems to be a bit of confusion with this property because Playa Grande Resort and Grand Spa is actually located in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, not Cabo San Lucas as some listings might suggest. This is a common mix-up, but we want to make sure you know exactly where this beautiful resort sits before we dive into all the details. So if you are planning a trip to the Dominican Republic and looking for an all-inclusive beachfront experience, then you are in the right place. This resort has been welcoming guests since 2005 and has gone through some impressive upgrades over the years, most recently in 2023 and 2024. The property is part of a larger hospitality group and has built quite a reputation for delivering Caribbean luxury with a family-friendly twist. Now let us get into what makes this place worth considering for your next vacation. When it comes to accommodations, Playa Grande Resort and Grand Spa offers a solid variety that caters to different types of travelers, whether you are a couple looking for romance, a family needing space, or someone who just wants to treat themselves to something extra special. The entry-level option is the Junior Suite, which clocks in at about 47 square meters or 506 square feet. Do not let the word junior fool you though, because these rooms are anything but basic. You get either a king bed or two doubles, a separate living area, and a marble bathroom that comes with both a rain shower and a jacuzzi tub. The minibar gets restocked daily with drinks and snacks, and there's a 55-inch smart television if you feel like catching up on shows after a day at the beach. They also provide an espresso machine, which is a nice touch for coffee lovers who need that morning boost before heading out. Robes and slippers are provided, and you can choose from a pillow menu if you are particular about how you sleep. One of the coolest features of some junior suites is the swim-out option, meaning you can literally step from your patio directly into a pool. Imagine waking up, opening your door, and just sliding into the water without walking anywhere. The views from these rooms vary, with some overlooking the garden, others facing the pool area, and some offering ocean glimpses. These suites can accommodate up to 4 people, making them great for small families or 2 couples traveling together. If you want a bit more space and a better view, the Ocean View Suite bumps things up to 56 square meters or 603 square feet. These come with a separate living room, which gives you more room to spread out and relax. The king bed is plush and the bathroom features a deep soak tub where you can unwind after a long day. In addition to everything the Junior Suite offers, you also get an iPod dock, 24-hour room service, and a nightly turn-down service that includes little treats. The views here are either partial or full ocean, and trust me, waking up to the sound of waves and that Caribbean blue stretching out in front of you is worth the upgrade. Some of these suites also have motion sensor lights and an aromatherapy menu, which adds a spa-like vibe to your stay. The decor is modern and minimalist, with clean lines and neutral tones that let the natural beauty outside take center stage. Guest photos often show stunning sunsets viewed right from the terrace, and it is easy to see why people rave about these rooms. For families or groups, the family suite is where things get really practical. At 80 square meters or 861 square feet, these suites have 2 bedrooms, one with a king bed and another with twins or bunk beds depending on what you need. There is a connecting bathroom, which makes life easier when you have kids. The rooms come with all the standard amenities plus some extras like toys, video games, and kid-friendly touches that make the little ones feel special. Some family suites even have a private plunge pool, which is a game changer if you want to let the kids splash around without heading to the main pool area. These suites can fit up to 6 people, so they are ideal for larger families or multi-generational trips. The decor is a bit more colorful and playful compared to the other room types, and guest photos show pool toys and family-friendly setups that look genuinely comfortable. Now, if you really want to go all out, the Grand Oceanfront Villa is the top-tier option. These are 2-story units that span 120 square meters or nearly 1,300 square feet. You get a king master bedroom, a guest room, and a rooftop terrace that offers incredible views. The villas come with butler service, the option to arrange a private chef, and a wine cooler stocked with your favorites. There's also an infinity plunge pool and an outdoor shower, which gives the whole experience a luxurious, private resort feel even though you are still part of the larger property. These villas can accommodate up to 6 guests and are perfect for special occasions like anniversaries, milestone birthdays, or just because you want to treat yourself. The thatched roof design gives it that authentic Caribbean aesthetic, and the 360-degree virtual tours available on the official website really do not do justice to how stunning these spaces are in person. Across all room categories, the recent renovations have made a noticeable difference. Guests who stayed before 2023 and then returned after the updates mention how much fresher everything feels, from the new flooring to the upgraded air conditioning systems and refreshed bathrooms. Let us talk about food, because if you are going all-inclusive, the dining options can make or break your experience. Playa Grande Resort and Grand Spa has 10 different venues, and the good news is that premium liquor is included, so you are not stuck with bottom-shelf stuff. The main buffet is called Market Kitchen, and it is your go-to for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you want variety without needing a reservation. This place seats about 500 people and is open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. The setup includes seafood stations, live carving, and dedicated sections for vegan and gluten-free options, which is great if you have dietary restrictions. They do themed nights throughout the week, like Mexican on Tuesdays and Asian on Thursdays, which keeps things interesting if you are staying for a while. The buffet has an ocean view, and the ceviche station in particular gets a lot of love from guests. It is one of those spots where you can try a little bit of everything and figure out what you want to come back for. For a more intimate dinner experience, Tequila is the Mexican a la carte restaurant, and it is exactly what you would hope for. Tacos al pastor, mole poblano, fresh churros for dessert, and a lively atmosphere with colorful decor that includes sombreros and vibrant table settings. Dinner service runs from 6 to 11 at night, and on Fridays they do a special lobster night that fills up fast. There is also a weekly taco festival that is worth checking out. Reservations are recommended here, especially during high season, because it only seats about 80 people and word gets around quickly when the food is this good. Guest photos show sizzling fajitas and generous portions, and the margaritas are apparently top-notch. If you are a seafood lover, Oceano is the spot. This is the resort's dedicated seafood and international restaurant, and it sits right on the beachfront. Lobster thermidor, fresh sushi, grilled octopus, and a rotating selection of daily catches are on the menu. Dinner runs from 6:30 to 10, and it seats about 60 people, so reservations are required. They also offer wine pairings, which is a nice touch if you want to elevate the meal. The setting is romantic, with candlelit tables and the sound of the waves in the background. It is one of those places where you want to dress up a little and take your time with the meal. Il Palazzo brings Italian flavors to the table with wood-fired pizzas, handmade pasta, and classic tiramisu for dessert. This one is open for both lunch and dinner from 12:30 until 11 at night, and it seats 70 people. Reservations are required, and on certain nights they have opera performances, which adds a fun cultural element to the meal. The pizzas coming out of the stone ovens look incredible in guest photos, and people consistently praise the authenticity of the pasta dishes. If you just want something casual, the sports bar is open 24/7 for snacks, with a full menu available from noon to midnight. Burgers, wings, craft beers, and pub fare are the focus here, and there are pool tables and big screens showing live sports. It seats about 100 people and operates on a walk-in basis, so it is a great spot to catch a game or just hang out without any fuss. The nachos get a lot of mentions in reviews, and it is the kind of place where you can relax in shorts and a t-shirt without feeling out of place. During high season, the restaurants can book up quickly, so it is smart to use the resort app or talk to the concierge as soon as you arrive to lock in your reservations. The food quality consistently gets high marks, with most reviewers rating it around 9 out of 10. The variety is definitely one of the resort's strong points, and even if you are staying for a week or more, you are unlikely to get bored with the options. The pool situation here is impressive. There are 5 pools spread across the property, starting with the main infinity pool, which is massive at 1,200 square meters. The depth ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, so it is swimmable for most adults but also safe for older kids. There is a swim-up bar right in the water, which is always a crowd favorite. You can order tropical cocktails without ever leaving the pool, and the bartenders are friendly and quick. Then there is the family pool, which has a kids' splash zone with slides and water features that younger children absolutely love. Parents can relax nearby while the kids burn off energy, and there are lifeguards on duty to keep an eye on things. For adults who want peace and quiet, there is a dedicated adults-only pool that is much calmer and perfect for reading a book or just floating around without the noise. The villa areas also have their own private plunge pools, which we mentioned earlier. All the pools are open from 7 in the morning until 8 at night year-round, and towel service is complimentary. If you want a cabana, those are available for $50 a day, and they come with extra perks like a cooler stocked with drinks and dedicated waiter service. The beach is really where this resort shines. 400 meters of pristine white sand and calm turquoise water that looks like something out of a postcard. The beach is lined with palm trees, and the water is usually calm enough for swimming, snorkeling, or just wading around. Kayaks and paddleboards are free to use, and snorkeling gear is also provided if you want to explore the underwater scenery. If you want something more adventurous, you can rent a catamaran for about $80 an hour, which is a fun way to see the coastline from a different angle. Beach waiters walk around taking orders, so you do not have to leave your lounger to get a drink or a snack. The loungers and umbrellas are first come, first served, but there are plenty of them, and even during busy times, most guests report being able to find a spot without too much trouble. The beach is cleaned daily, and the resort has a coral reef protection program in place, which shows they are thinking about sustainability. They have also gone plastic-free, encouraging guests to use reusable bottles, and there are solar panels installed around the property. These efforts might seem small, but they add up, and it is nice to see a resort taking environmental responsibility seriously. When it comes to activities, there is no shortage of things to do. The fitness center is equipped with Technogym cardio machines, weights, free weights, spin bikes, and a dedicated yoga studio. If you are someone who likes to keep up with workouts even on vacation, you will not feel like you are missing out. The center is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, and there are daily classes like yoga, Zumba, and aqua aerobics included in your stay. If you want more personalized attention, you can book a personal trainer for $50 an hour. Beyond the gym, there are nightly entertainment options like live music and fire shows that start around 8 in the evening. On Wednesdays and Saturdays, they host beach parties that are lively and fun without being overwhelming. The resort also does seasonal events like New Year's galas and Halloween bashes, which add some extra excitement depending on when you visit. The Grand Spa is a major highlight and lives up to its name. There are 20 treatment rooms, and the menu includes massages, facials, body wraps, and couples rituals. The hot stone massage is the signature treatment and gets rave reviews for how relaxing it is. Beyond individual treatments, there is a full hydrotherapy circuit that includes a sauna, steam room, ice fountain, and a relaxation lounge where you can just zone out. The spa also has a beauty salon if you want to get your hair or nails done. The spa is open from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, and you can book treatments through the resort app or with the concierge. For the signature treatments, it is smart to book at least 48 hours in advance because they fill up quickly, especially during peak season. The atmosphere in the spa is calm and luxurious, with soft music, dim lighting, and that signature spa scent that immediately puts you in relaxation mode. Even if you are not usually a spa person, it is worth trying at least one treatment during your stay. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.